We're in a fair trade organic coconut grove, and we're watching the harvest of the coconuts from the tree. Now, the coconuts, as they fall, are in a different format than you would see them in our stores, but all the parts of the coconut will be used. And we're gonna follow these coconuts through the process and into packages, and the packages that we bring to our customers in the store. It doesn't get any fresher than that. When the coconuts fall from the tree, they just expertly dehusk them. They set aside the coconut husks, which will get turned into fiber and mulch. And then the coconut itself that's left there, that's what goes to the packaging processing facility to be put into Simple Truth packaging. We watch the trucks arrive. We watch the coconuts get unloaded and sorted.
We first inspect the coconuts, make sure that they're fresh. And then from there, we open the coconuts. And then the water itself is taken out and processed within 1 or 2 hours.
The Peter Paul facility is a zero waste facility. They use every piece of the coconut. Even the husks are burned to power the plant.
Every part of the coconut actually is usable. And there's really no place for waste in the coconut.
But at Simple Truth, we truly travel to the ends of the earth to put simple within reach.